Hello guys, today I will show you how to use Polkadot ecosystem Bulksender to send tokens in batches. For now, we have supported the below networks: Polkadot, Kusama, Starfy, Fala, and Westend. Today, I will show you how to use Bulksender on Westend testnet. You can switch to other network by clicking this place. Okay, let's get started. So the first step, we will switch to Western testnet, and then fill the address with amounts. About the format, we can see the examples. Okay, we will test more addresses, so we copy some more addresses and paste it. Okay, let's go to next. You will see some summary information on confirm page: total addresses, total amounts, total transactions, and total fee cost. And then you will see self-generate address. Okay, let's say something more about self-generate key address logic. It's a local browser cache wallet. Only you can access it on your local browser. We can use our mobile or some other web wallets to deposit the total cost fee to this wallet, and then you will be able to send a button to start the box sending. Okay, so next we should to deposit total fee to this address. So we copy. We use the Polkadot apps to deposit the total fee. You can also use your own wallet to deposit. Okay, pass the address and then copy the total amount. Okay, transfer. Okay. With the transition aligned. Okay. See, there was some information had been changed. Have received the total fee, and now we can click the send button to continue. Okay, send. The first translation, the second translation. Wow, that's so fast. You have finished your box sending. Okay, let's check the translation detail. Address value. You have finished your box sending by using Bulksender app. So that's it. Thank you for watching.